Check out the cucumber. I have to rework these planter, but grow these tomatoes from one of those sucking branch. But I guess the cucumber is actually growing nicely. Got some new cucumber coming out. It was a little bit late in the year, but this baby pepper plant. And then this year, I guess the bitter melon is not so big. Might have to start over again next year. There's a little trellis for my grapes. Let's see. Probably have to prune some of the tree. And then over here, this year I'm trying to grow some grapes from Costco in a pod. This is my guava. A couple more grape. This one got one grape. These are the potting of my, tangerines. Been growing for over 10 years, so we'll see how these goes. Got some ginger, basil. Oregano actually came back, and then I picked a couple branches and I put it down. I guess it's growing peppers and tomatoes. This is the banana tree that keep coming back. Haven't done too much to it. And this is the pepper plant, and this is this pepper plant right here. I take it inside. You can see it's starting to flower. See how the original root is. It's 3 years old, and it's coming back again. Walking back over here, got a couple eucalyptus, baby eucalyptus starting to grow nicely. Aloe vera, another eucalyptus back there. This is my orchard. The apple tree I bought kind of died, so we have to dig it back up and go return it. But this one I grew the apple from a seed. This one from a seed. That's some of the apples are kind of going bad. You can see, I don't know, something's eating it. But I got some apple there. And this one's my plum tree. Got the plum right there. Right there. I guess got one ripened. I believe that one is finally ripened. And another apple tree. And then we got this one. It's a nice sized apple tree. This is the oldest one. It's been here for, I guess, at least 8 years. So you can see the apple. Walking over to our, as you can see, we got a chicken coop there. We got about 4 eggs. This I actually custom built this chicken coop myself. With leftover some lumber I have. You can see the chicken is right there. Pretty good. And here is a couple more planters that we put down. some peppers, more cucumber. Not really sure what kind of mushroom that is. Looks pretty whacked. Well, pepper plant is growing nicely. Oh, there's a nice pepper. And then here we finally got our tomato. Again, I took a couple of these side branches right here like this. I pick it off, and then I just stick it down. It actually grow. Did the same thing over there for that one. These right here are watermelon, but I mean it's starting to grow, but I'm not sure. Season's almost over. Here, I did something kind of cool. Not exactly sure. I think this is lemongrass, but I'm not 100% sure. I got a molly. Look at how nice and tall that is right there. Look at that. Wow. Well, my son's playing basketball, so tell me what you think. It's about 6 foot tall. You know. And over here, I'm working on this bull grapevine. Did a little grafting here with some plumber's tape. I graft here, and it finally, as you can see, it finally bud. The bud finally come through. There you go. So that'll be a new shoot. Hopefully that works out. I've been trying a couple area right here. You can see I'm keep pruning them, so and I got this one right here. We'll see if it works. I'll keep everybody posted on that, because it doesn't really bear any fruit for this vine, but it got a nice solid base. Like that is like a 50-year-old grape root. So I've been trying to prune it every day or every week or something like that. Just want to keep it low. As you can see, any new shoot comes out, I kind of plugged it off. Saw this on YouTube, so got another garden right there. Got a bunch of plant over there. Got a raspberry bush. And now here is coolest. This is a strawberry patch. It is wild. We go strawberry picking most of the time, and I mean our strawberry, look at the way it looks. Look at how green it is. I mean, amazing. Leaves are huge, super green. You see the strawberry patch. We got a couple more right there, and you can kind of see that's, you know, got a blueberry. This is a blueberry tree. Bought a cherry. Got to plant that, and then another plum tree over there. Just haven't had a chance to. So, and this is what my backyard looks like, guys, with the chicken coop.